Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you subscribe if you're new. Today we are cleaning out my mom car for the summer. It needs it so badly, so let's get started. I'm gonna just kind of take everything out, but you can see it needs a really good vacuum back here. I mean, this is just where it gets ridiculous too. Like there's just a pile of stuff and a half-eaten apple and some gross moldy cheese. Disgusting, and just I don't know what. I think this might be from a donut actually. That's all over Hayden's car seat straps that need to get cleaned off. This isn't too bad, but the floor is pretty dirty, so that definitely needs to get washed off. And really it's just like trash. So if you have a messy car, you know, really messy mom car, I want you to tell me the weirdest thing you found in your car when you're cleaning it out, because I feel like with kids, there's just like always something weird that you find.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. Don't you blame me?
All right, I've got everything out of here so that you can see a quick little how it looks still crumb-wise. I'm gonna go take this around the corner to where there's really strong vacuums at this car wash and vacuum it all out, and then I will wipe everything down. Oh, my ring fell off. And then I'll wipe everything down really good in here after it gets a good vacuum. It definitely needs dusting. Like, I don't know if you can see. That is like so smudgy and dusty. Yuck. So.
Friends, these are the good times, and I'm feeling like I could go on forever, and I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling that's making me crazy.
All right, car has been all vacuumed out, so now I'm going to grab my new multi-surface cleaner and wipe this entire car down, and I'm so excited because I'm using my very favorite scent. There's gonna be 3 scents when we go live. At least that's what the plan is right now. So this one is my absolute favorite. Like, I love all 3, but this one is my absolute favorite of the 3. If you want to be the first to know when my new scent line launches, please sign up with your email in the description box below. I cannot wait to share the new scents with you. It is going to be really soon.
Drive.
Okay, I wanted to show you guys just kind of like a close-up area here when I spray this on. First of all, it smells so amazing. It's like such a sweet, clean, sort of romantic kind of a scent. But when I've cleaned my car with this before, when I was like testing the first one we got, it smelled like so good for even weeks afterwards. Like I would get in my car and I could still smell it. I just hope that you guys love it, and it has just been amazing. I feel like to use things where the scents are all coordinating too, so there's not like competing cleaning scents going on. It's really, really nice, and I just like breathe some in. It just makes me so happy. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. All right, I popped out my WeatherTech mats, and I'm gonna use the soap then, that's the same scent, and just get this all, it's like a really good foaming one. Get this on here and rinse these down. So I just took a scrub brush to scrub these off with the soap and water.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
And I just love this multi-surface cleaner. It got all that dirt off, and it got everything smelling so clean and looking so shiny in here too.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone
Last thing, I'm spraying the coordinating linen spray on the fabric surfaces in the car so that it smells extra clean and fresh. All right, so for Hayden's car seat, because this is basically frosting or, you know, icing that's gotten all over this, I just put some of the hand soap in this little dish with warm water, and I'm just going to kind of spot clean it. I learned from one of my former videos when I cleaned out my car that if you like spray down your car seat, it can actually make it not work properly anymore. So you're just supposed to spot clean it. So that's what we're gonna do here. It's actually coming up pretty good. I got like really hot water from my hot water dispenser too. And I feel like that always helps when there's like these sticky, sugary things, because the heat just kind of, you're gonna see, it's burning my fingers a little, but the heat just kind of helps get it up pretty fast and easy there.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break.
And also it's harder doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna go set this on the tripod and finish up.
Look at the beautiful stars, I I wanna drive a faster car.
Would you look at that? Oh my gosh. So nice and clean now. It just smells so good in here too. Oh my gosh, it smells so heavenly. It's like soft and vanilla and clean, and again a little bit romantic, and just like a teeny bit of like floral to it. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, I just love when it's all nice and clean like this. It will only last like a day, but I will appreciate it right now. Oh my gosh, just such a difference. I mean, do you guys remember how trashed it was back here? Like, it's so much nicer now.
When I'm in this town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Nothing beats the smell of a clean car, especially with our new Cap and Clean products. Oh, anyways, I need to figure out what to make for dinner. If you have any really good, like, fresh summer dinner ideas, let me know what you're making. I feel like that's like the next thing I want to do, is sort of figure out some new, really good summer meal ideas. Because, yeah, it's like a hair stuck in my nail. By the way, let me take this hair out. It's irritating me. I got dip powder, which normally I don't get. And I went with my friend to a different nail salon than I normally go to. And I think that they still put clear gel over the top of it because they lasted so long and I like loved it. But I just went, gosh, what day is it? Less than a week ago now, maybe like 4 days ago. And you see already like how that thumb, it's like it's chipped off almost, which I feel like is like really weird. And I can tell like this thumb is about to do it too. Like there's like little hairline cracks in it. So I don't know, is that like the trick if you do dip powder, to still ask for them to put like clear gel over the top of it? Or should you just stick to gel polish? I feel like I always had gel polish and it would like last a really long time unless I was like just like really harsh beating up my nails, which, you know, cleaning the whole car and all of the stuff I've been trying to do around the house, I mean, it's definitely not being like gentle on my nails, but I don't know. Let me know if you have any advice on dip or gel nails. All right, so the big kids' dinners are ready. Hayden already has his. They wanted quesadillas. Landon likes his in the triangles. Prezi likes hers rolled up. Yeah, there's a berry, you're right. And I let them pick. It's like one of the things I learned from my friend Allie, who she like posts on Instagram like the best ideas for healthy kid lunches and all this kind of stuff. But I had like 2 options for veggies, 2 options for fruit. And I say to them, like, which one do you want, or do you want both? So Landon picked both types of fruit and just cucumbers. Prezi wanted cucumbers and peppers and just grapes. But my really sweet friend Lydia, who I did Teach for America with back in the day, told me about Allie because they're friends, and I feel like it has just helped all of us, like including myself, just have fresher things on hand and incorporate just better ideas for the little ones. So I'm gonna leave Allie's Instagram down in the description box below so that you can go give her a follow, and hopefully it helps you if you're trying to give healthier, fresher meals to your kids, because she shares new ideas pretty much every single day. But here, I wanted to show you guys, this is how, in the prepping, kind of how it all turned out. I sliced up all of the peppers and the cucumbers just so if I'm hungry and need a snack during the day, I reach for these instead of junk food. And same thing, then I have the strawberries all rinsed and prepped, and the different berries and grapes and apples, so that the kids can just come in here and grab any of these fresh, healthy things because they're all within reach for them too. So I don't know why I haven't been doing this sooner, but I'm glad I started. Oh my gosh, you made a cucumber ring. What color are the peppers?
Orange.
What color are the cucumbers?
Green.
What color are the grapes?
Red.
What color is the grape?
Red.
What color?
Red.
Red. Well, it is kind of a red. They're red. They're red grapes. And what color is your cup?
Green. Green.
Those are green. What color is your cup?
Orange.
Orange.
Blue.
Blue is the color of your cup. Very good. You're so smart.
Red. What color is the blueberries? What color is it? Ooh. Not a blueberry? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
How did you
you.
forget to give him blueberries? He loves them.
He didn't want them. I asked him. He said no. I said grapes or blueberries, and he said no blueberries. He said just grapes. Thank you all so much for watching my channel and supporting me and my family. I'm sending you all the love and happy cleaning.
And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.